Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another video, and today we are going over what I'm taking on my trip to the Sunshine Coast for Schoolies week. I got halfway through and thought, well, now would be a better time than any to start, so let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm recording on my phone at the moment, so sorry if it's not the best quality in the world. But I did want to show you absolutely everything that I will be taking with me. So let's start out with some of the big boys. Now I plan on taking 3 cameras, a drone, a laptop, a gimbal, and a few other things like GoPros, 4 lenses in total, 2 GoPros, a gimbal for one of the GoPros, and maybe a camcorder as well. So this is going to be a big trip for me. This is going to be some awesome content I'm hoping and knowing of. Let me show you. So I'll be taking my DJI Phantom 4. I think it's just the Phantom 4. Taking that with me. I will be taking my old faithful Canon 700D with the Tamron 18-400 lens on it. The reason I'm taking that camera with that lens on it is because we plan on going to Australia Zoo for one day. So I want one lens that can reach out and grab the subject as much as possible, and that's just good for photo. Now, second camera, the Canon 6D Mark II with the 24-70 2.8 on that one. Reason I'm taking that one is for mostly photos and yeah, just stuff like that. And with that one as well, mainly it'll be paired with the 50mm 1.4 from also Canon. Third, it's in a bag right now, but I'll be taking the Canon 800D as well as my everyday vlog camera and Manfrotto tripod that you're on right now. I'm also taking my new laptop, a HP EliteBook 8560W with Intel i7, and it also has Quadro graphics and 16 gigs of RAM and yada yada yada. Cool. I'll be taking 2 microphones, that microphone there and one more in there for vlogging. The gimbal I'm taking is a Zion Crane 2, and I think that's about it. I've got a GoPro Hero 5 and 4 on charge right now. I just had to go out and get an SD card for that. I've got the DJI Karma grip over the back there. Not really cheap from a mate because his drone crashed and he still had the grip and the front of the gimbal head. Now packing all the cameras and GoPros and stuff will be this bad boy, the Manfrotto drone pack, I believe. Because I'm taking so many cameras and so much stuff, including gimbals and stuff, I'll be chucking that all in that bag. And then I've got this big old hard case for the drone to go in. Just because, yeah, I could fit it in there, but not going for one day, we're going for a while, so it doesn't matter if I fill up. And yeah, all the batteries and everything, obviously, are coming with moi. Let's show you this gimbal, hey? There we are, guys, the Zion Crane 2. Yeah, that's about it for that. But no, I'm really looking excited for this one. And I do have to go and clean out my car a bit, so I do have space. But yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this quick video. That's what I'm taking with me on my trip. That starts next Monday. It is Tuesday. Starts next Monday. A few days. I'll also have formal. I'll try and record a bit of that here and there. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching.
I'll see you in the next one. Ta-ta.